Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to auto-save photos from Fiverr, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto-save or automatically save photos from Fiverr, just open up your Fiverr app on your phone, and on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen after opening your Fiverr app, guys, there's the more button available for us with three dotted icons at the bottom right corner. Tap on more and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings, and over here tap on the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. And over here, guys, you use the second option where it says save to gallery. Allow Fiverr to automatically save media to a gallery on your phone. So in order to auto save photos from Fiverr, make sure the empty circle at the right side is ticked, and then you will start to auto save photos from Fiverr. And there, guys, this is how to auto save photos from Fiverr. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.